Hi, my name is Dr. Sarah Shevitz, licensed clinical psychologist and founder of Couples Learn. If you're watching this video, you're probably having some undesired results in the relationship department and are wanting to make a change. First of all, I commend you. So many people float through life living unconsciously, just reacting to the circumstances of their life without ever taking a look at themselves and asking, am I creating a life and relationships I love? And if not, how might I be contributing to the results I have right now? When it comes to love and relationships, much of what drives our behavior in choosing a partner and how we act once we are in relationships is based on beliefs we created about love and relationships as children. Most of my clients didn't have a healthy love modeled for them growing up, and as a result, they may have some limiting beliefs about love. If you or your partner came from a high conflict family, for example, you might find yourself getting stuck in who's right and who's wrong versus really trying to understand each other's point of view and communicate in a way that will enhance the relationship. Or if you or your partner came from a family who rarely fought, you might find it difficult to bring up relationship issues and just end up sweeping everything under the rug. This often leads to a lack of passion between you and your partner and built-up resentments. The clients I work with individually really crave healthy love, but deep down they worry they may not be capable or worthy of that love. In many cases, they've been burned so many times before that they're starting to wonder if that love even exists, or if it just exists for others but not for them. You want love to feel easy, fun, and fulfilling. You might catch yourself thinking, if only my partner would change, we could stop arguing so much and just focus on living a good life together. Or if you're single and looking for love, you might be thinking, why can't anyone see what a catch I am? Is there seriously something wrong with me that I can't see? Or maybe it's the men in this city who need to change. I want to reassure you that there is nothing wrong with you. And you can have that deeply connected and satisfying love, whether you're in a relationship now or not. I know you want that belonging without suffering. I understand the longing to find that deeply fulfilling love. I know because I've been there too. Deep down, even as a little girl in a hostile home with parents who fought a ton, I knew that kind of love was out there. I just couldn't figure out why I wasn't finding it. Through the work I've done, I've learned to give myself and that scared little girl inside of me the love and security I craved rather than relying on it from other people. I've also learned that when I don't get the love I need from someone else, or at least not in the way that I think I need it, it's not personal. These shifts have been life-changing for me, and this is the work I'll guide you through too. If someone doesn't choose you as their life partner, it's not about there being something wrong with you. Or if your partner doesn't act the way you want him to or her to, it's not because there's something deeply wrong with you or your partner. Sure, there may be some things you could stand to change, but that doesn't change your inherent worthiness. It just means that you're human. One thing we so often do in relationships is take things personally. When you can shift that automatic response and those underlying limiting beliefs, you can shift your relationship both to yourself and others. Most of my clients put a lot of time, money, and energy into their careers, and they are good at what they do, which makes it even more baffling and frustrating when they can't be as successful in love. And the thing is, the drive and ambition that make you good in your career may actually be masking unconscious feelings of insecurity about who you are as a person and your inherent worth. Is it possible you spend so much time and energy at work in order to feel like a worthy partner, but as a result you aren't making space for that deeply connected love in your life? These are the questions we'll address in our work together. If you're like my typical client, you've probably seen other therapists, at least for a few sessions. You probably have a few relationship books on your shelf, but you just can't seem to make those lasting changes. You might be aware that experiences from your childhood have impacted your relationships, but now what? How do you get rid of this baggage once and for all? In reality, you probably know you just haven't gone deep enough yet, which is why you're here now, watching this video. So if you're ready to look inside and see some massive shifts in your love life, your next step is to schedule a free 30-minute consultation with me. This gives us both an opportunity to get to know each other and see if it's a good fit. I look forward to chatting with you soon.